Hey YouTubers, how's everybody doing? Thank you for stopping by. My name is JC and this is the Cuban Redneck DIY channel where we do cooking and grilling on Tuesdays and DIY stuff on Fridays. This is your first time here, I want to give you a warm welcome. And I know that everybody tells you the same thing, but I do appreciate it if you was to like, share, and subscribe. With that said, today I want to talk to you about Cuban fried rice. And you're probably asking yourself, is there such a thing? What the hell is that? Well, it's a very simple recipe made out of leftovers from the entire week. Growing up myself, I always thought that that was an invention my mom did every once in a blue moon. But as you get invited to your friend's house and they tell you, hey, we're having Cuban fried rice, do you want to stay over for dinner? I'm like, what the hell? So yeah, it is a real thing. It's not only made with leftovers, but also it's a great way to do it. It's with what is called 𝐿𝐻𝐻. And although the majority of households in the US is either 2 people or 4 people, when you go buy things like pork chops or chicken fillets, they come in packages of 3 or 5. What are you supposed to do? Buy an extra package? Hell no, you're gonna make yourself some Cuban fried rice. Check this out.
To be honest with you, I have no idea why I'm even talking about ingredients, because when it comes to Cuban fried rice, just about anything goes. Nevertheless, let's discuss the bare minimum. Here I have about a cup of pre-cooked white rice. Long grain or parboiled has yielded the best results for me. With that said, it is imperative that the rice is not fresh. So if your Cuban fried rice is planned and not something out of the spur of the moment, consider making it the night before and leaving it in the fridge overnight. I also have about a half of a smoked sausage that has been diced into half-inch pieces, as well as some green onions, some frozen veggies, quarter of an onion, also sliced into large half-inch pieces, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 2 eggs, and some soy sauce. Before we move on, I want to make a point about the cookware. I am tired of hearing people saying that you need a wok to make fried rice. No, you don't need a wok to make fried rice. However, a large flat-edged spatula like this one is as close as you're gonna get to a requirement. So with that out of the way, let's make some fried rice. We'll start by cracking our 2 eggs into a medium-sized mixing bowl. We're gonna beat them until there are no streaks of white. Add your rice and mix it until every grain is covered. Some people said that this is Korean style or Vietnamese style. I have no idea where it came from. This is how I learned how to make this. While the rice absorbs the eggs, let's go ahead and start working on whatever is raw. Don't matter if it's sausage, pork, chicken, or ham. To do this, let's put a teaspoon of olive oil into our pan along with a tablespoon of butter. Get it up to temp, add your meat, in this case sausage, and cook it until it starts to brown. Then crank the temperature to high and add the rice mixture. Cook on high while constantly working it until it's dry. Add your onions and garlic and continue to work it until the onions become translucent, at which time we're going to add the frozen veggies. Work that for about a minute or so, followed by the soy sauce, a little bit at a time, until you're satisfied with the color and taste. My friends, this is pretty much it. An awesome, super savory fried rice recipe that in many cases rivaled that of takeout. Made with nothing but leftovers in less than 5 minutes.
Please support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you.